guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you for joining me today. Guys, for the rest of the year, I'm going to be doing something a little different. Yes, I'm going to stick with the recipes as well. But in addition to that, what I'm going to be doing is showing you what life in Ghana is really like. And today I am getting started with some of my favorite restaurants. We'll do it on a monthly basis. As long as I have money, we'll keep doing it. Favorite restaurants, favorite places to shop. Guys, if you have any questions from real estate to building in Ghana, buying in Ghana, whatever questions you have, be sure to let me know on Instagram or let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to find an answer in a video for you. So guys, come along and let's get started. Alright guys, so today we are taking a drive down to Osu and we are visiting a brand new restaurant and cafe called Kimberries. So guys, Kimberries is owned and operated by the one and only Gourmet Kim. She is an amazing food blogger and guys, I absolutely love how beautiful her place is. I cannot wait to take you along for this amazing and very delicious journey. So guys, we're just driving down, we're almost there, and of course guys, I will put a link to her Instagram page and to her food blogging page in the description box below. My favorite part about her little cafe is just the ambiance and the decor in there. Guys, I love the colors. I love how bright and vibrant it is in there. And my favorite part is all the little sayings that she has on the chalkboard that runs across a bulk of the restaurant. And guys, she has amazing staff. And I'm not just saying that. They were so welcoming when I went in. And I absolutely had such a great time with them. So guys, right now we're just taking a look at her display of desserts that she has. And I love the fact that they serve it per slice. So you do not need to buy a full cake. So it is great for tasting and there is a huge assortment. And another thing that I noticed is that they refill their display case throughout the day. So as I was sitting there, they brought in a fresh batch of amazing desserts. So I got to try more. And she sells some amazing chateau. So I ended up getting one of those as well. And I just have one of her staff right now just going through some of the desserts and pastries that they have. So this is the sausage roll. And they had some fish pie as well. And while we were going through the types of desserts that they had, guys, they had samples to try, which is amazing because it's not something that you see very often in Ghana. So the first sample right here is brownies. It was delicious. I ended up eating 2 of them. And so I had a bit of that. And again, like I'm saying, it is really nice because it is not something that you see in Ghana. So I really appreciated that detail there. Now guys, if you have never been to Kimberry's or if you've never tried any of her desserts, my top 2 picks are the Death by Chocolate, which is a chocolate cake with some caramel notes and an amazing icing that is not too sweet, which I absolutely love. And like I said with the samples, what I just showed right there is also some chocolate cake samples, which was also very delicious. Like I was saying, back to my top 2 desserts. One is definitely the Death by Chocolate, and my second choice for the cakes would be the carrot cakes. So guys, if you go in there and you're stuck on what to pick, these are my top 2 picks. And if you're a tea drinker, they have an amazing assortment of teas as well.
Yeah, all look good. Yeah, I see a caramel.
That's the smash. That's the popcorn.
Oh, nice.
Right. Okay, so the best milkshake that we have is the popcorn caramel.
Popcorn caramel.
Yeah.
All right, and now guys, for the best part, while I was waiting for my jollof to be ready, I decided to start tasting some of the desserts that I had gotten. So of course, I started with the Death by Chocolate, and I followed it up with a few bites of the sausage roll, and it was delicious. And the papa, a rough. Guys, you have to try this. I'm not even exaggerating, and no, this is not even sponsored. It's that good. Everything I had was amazing. And guys, this is the jollof with lamb chops. But when I went in, the lamb chops were all out. So I got mine with chicken. And the jollof comes with some steamed veggies, some green chili sauce, and of course, 2 huge pieces of chicken. So that's what I had, and I am taking it to go because I'm with the family today, and we're just gonna end up eating it in the car. Right, now that I have received my jollof, I am going to pack it all up and head into the car so that we can enjoy it all together. But I'd like to say a very special thank you and a shout out to the amazing staff of Kimberries. Nana Kwejo and Nanekia are at the back. Anyway, I got my jollof. Showed you guys earlier. We're eating in the car. Yes, we do this a lot. So it comes with pepper, which is really nice. This pepper is really nice. The jollof smells amazing. So I've had this before. It's like one of the best jollof I've ever had. Really good. And really generous. Like there are 2 pieces of this. There's this drumstick and then the thigh. The chicken is seasoned really well. It's spicy, but not overpowering. Really nice. The next time I go in, I'll try the lamb and let you guys know how that goes. I haven't had that one yet. And then there's some steamed veggies on the side as well, which is really nice. Cake, oh my goodness. A slice of it is 25 cedis and it is a huge slice. It's really nice. Like, it's one of those things that I can eat forever. Like, I can probably eat a full one by myself. Let me just zoom in. There. Like, it's really nice. Like, it's so good. One of the best cakes I've ever eaten. Like, I'm actually kind of glad that I don't live close to Osu because this cake. So this is the Death by Chocolate, I think. Yeah, Death by Chocolate. It's really good. You guys should try this out. And guys, so if you have any restaurants that you'd like me to try out, let me know in the comment section or send me a DM on Instagram. If you have my number, send me a WhatsApp. Yeah, but let me know and I will visit a lot more restaurants or cafes, dessert places. I have a few lined up. Hopefully I don't run out of money because, Charlie, this thing too can add up because I don't eat out a lot. None of us do actually, but guys, I'm doing it for you. So let me know and I'll visit more places. That there's a lot more of this coming up. And guys, of course, anything else that you want to know about living in Ghana, from real estate to companies that can help you build your house, to kitchens, to anything that you guys want to know, places to eat like I've started, any questions you have, just send it out to me and I will make sure that by the end of the year I answer as many of these questions as honestly and as realistically as possible. Nanika, what do you think of the cake?
eating chocolate sprinkles on you.
With chocolate chips. Hope you enjoyed this little restaurant adventure. I look forward to bringing you a lot more. And guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey. Take care, guys. Bye.